Now the bulbs are right over there. The way to access it, we have to open up this trunk, and it's the same process on the left and right side. We'll just do the left side one. So what we have to do, we have to get this plastic cover off, this trim piece. Now this trim piece is held in place by clips. There are 3 clips, and for that you need a flathead screwdriver. Get a screwdriver and put it right over there. Now you have to know this, that it's possible that one of the 3 clips may break. These clips, they get brittle over time and it may break. Just know this up front before you start working on this. Now the second clip is right over there, and this is the clip that usually is breaks. The second one there, and this third one closer to the light right over there. Again, put the screwdriver in there, pry the clip down, and then just grab that plastic trim piece and then pull it down with your hands, and the clip will come undone. Be patient, and yeah, it comes undone. Now this gives us access to the bulb holders. That's the bulb holder for the inner tail light bulb, the black one. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit to loosen it, and that's it. Now it's loose. Yeah, it's loose and just comes right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come out. If it still doesn't come out, get the screwdriver and then use that to pry the bulb out. This is a bad bulb anyway, so we don't have to worry about damaging it at this point. The bulb size is 168 or 194 or T10. It's all the same. Get the new bulb, align it over there with the pins and push it down to secure it. And now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. So be patient with it, and once it drops in like this, just grab it and twist your right to lock it, and that's it. That's good. Get the trim piece back in position, align the clips over there with the holes where they came out from, and then just pop them back in using your hand. 1, 2, and 3, and that is looking good. That's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.